Step inside a sanctuary where every detail whispers of elegance, and every corner carries the weight of timeless grandeur. This is not merely a house, it is a story sculpted in stone, glass, and light. Welcome to the soul of a luxury mansion. The journey begins here, in a grand foyer where marble meets light. A chandelier cascades from the heavens, scattering diamonds of brilliance across polished stone. Every step feels like entering a dream crafted for eternity. The living room unfolds like a theater of comfort and majesty. High ceilings stretch toward the sky, and sunlight spills generously through towering windows, painting the room in warmth and possibility. At the heart, a fireplace glows, a flame framed in artistry, a gathering point where luxury meets intimacy. Its carved details hold stories older than memory. Velvet whispers beneath fingertips, gold glimmers at the edges. Here, conversations linger, and silence feels as grand as music. Along the walls, masterpieces gaze back at you. Each stroke, each canvas, chosen not for fashion, but for timeless dialogue between art and soul. In the dining hall, crystal refracts candlelight, silver sings beneath the weight of history. A table not merely for meals, but for memories woven into the fabric of life. Above, a chandelier blooms like a frozen galaxy, each crystal a star, each flicker a universe suspended in motion. The kitchen, a symphony of marble and steel. Precision meets passion, where craft transforms into art and flavors are born into legacy. Step into the library, where wisdom sleeps quietly on leather-bound shelves. A sanctuary for thought, a cathedral for the restless mind. The staircase curls upward like a ribbon of elegance, guiding footsteps from one chapter of the mansion to the next. Corridors stretch ahead, glowing softly with the light of quiet anticipation. Every hallway is a pathway into discovery. The master bedroom, a private world within the world. Silk spreads like a gentle ocean, and the horizon greets you at dawn through glass walls that dissolve the boundary between dream and waking. Here, garments stand not as fabric, but as armor of identity. A walk-in closet that feels less like storage, more like a personal museum of self-expression. The master bath whispers serenity, marble underfoot, water waiting in silence, a tub standing alone like a sculpture by the window, gazing into infinity. Even the guest rooms hold a quiet majesty. No corner forgotten, no detail overlooked. Hospitality here is not offered, it is woven into the air itself. A theater hidden within these walls. Velvet reclines, shadows dance, and stories come alive in cinematic glory reserved for the few. Beneath the mansion, a cellar cradles history in bottles, each vintage a chapter, each cork a time capsule waiting to be opened. Strength and stillness coexist here. Machines of steel beside pools of calm, what you're a place where the body finds both power and release. Water shimmers under ambient glow. An indoor pool stretches like liquid glass, inviting the body to float, the mind to drift. Here laughter reigns. The game room, a stage for leisure, a playground of refined indulgence. From the balcony, the world below feels like a painting. Gardens unfurl like brush strokes, skies deepen into endless canvas. A desk stands in silence, heavy with decisions past and those yet to come. This office is not just for work, but for the shaping of destinies. The piano waits under a single light. Keys of ivory and ebony poised, ready to awaken the air with echoes of timeless music. In the hall stands a sculpture bold, unyielding, abstract. It reminds us that beauty is not always to be understood, but to be felt. Beyond the visible, a secret chamber lies. A place of mystery, built not for guests, but for the whispers of the soul. Through carved doors, the mansion breathes outward into gardens that mirror paradise, where stone paths meet eternal green. Evening settles here, by the fire pit. Conversations linger longer under the stars, flames rising like thoughts into the night. Water arcs into the air, falling back into itself. The fountain is not decoration, it is poetry made liquid. By night, the mansion glows like a beacon. Light spills from its windows, warmth against the vast silence of the dark. From above, the estate reveals its magnitude. Not just architecture, but a vision etched into the land itself. This is more than luxury. It is a story told through walls, light, and silence. A reminder that beauty, when eternal, does not speak loudly, it simply endures.